Hi, let's look at the features and benefits of Philips CoreLine Highbay Value. These Highbays save up to 63% energy over conventional alternatives, with an efficacy of up to 136 lumen per watt. CoreLine Highbay is available in 3 sizes that deliver 3 lumen packages up to 25,500 lumen. It has IP65 and IK06 ratings. The light distribution is offered in wide beam, and there are optional reflectors available for glare reduction. Installation is easy and fast with a 3-pole connection unit, and there is an optional mounting bracket available. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video.